Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to your favorite channel on YouTube. It's really early. We've got lots and lots of work today, and more importantly, today's vlog is going to be really special. And that's because, as you probably read by the title, I'm buying my younger brother a car. He got his license recently, and I'd get a random message at like midnight every other day, be like, "Can I take your car?" I'd be like, "Hell no!" So I just decided to, let's get the kid a car. So stay tuned. It's gonna be lots of fun, and maybe I'll get myself a car. Yeah. But first things first, I need to get this car serviced. So we're on our way to Porsche, and we're probably gonna get a heavy bill in the morning. But you know what? That's the price you pay for the finest German engineering. Alright guys, so we're here at the showroom. I'm here to pick up my little brother's car. Alright guys, so we're here at the showroom. We're gonna pick up my little brother's car. His first car is a C300 Mercedes. That's because he's a little bit spoiled. But let me show you the interior. So if you, this is the exact same one I had, and it's a pretty damn good car. I think he's gonna be excited. There's a little tiny turbo in the car, so all right, we're jamming. Let's get out of here. All right, so guys, it's a couple of days later. We had some technical difficulties in making the previous vlog. I still have the footage though, so I'm sure you've probably seen it. But anyway, I'm now on my way to get the car registered, and just some exciting stuff, you know. Stay tuned. I'm on my way to Tasjil near Souk Al Haraj, and we should be out of there. I don't know how long it's gonna take because it's usually always packed, but I'm on my way now. I'll catch y'all in Tasjil and we'll figure it out. We got a C300 coming home, baby, and another one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the number plate. We're gonna stick it on the car. I'm gonna take the car home. Let's go. Show over the camera. Hey, brother, what's good? How you doing? There she is, in all her pride and glory. Okay, so we're gonna stick on the number. I'm gonna get rid of this one, get a long plate, the cover for the long plate, and the little nigga's gonna be rolling around town.